It's not something fake. Bigfoot is out there, and they are going to find him. I know they are.
Short. First ever Eagle Ray. Finally did it. Let's go!
Bull. Got it?
Florida, baby. This is what we wanted.
What the? Oh my god.
Some actual power.
I think it's a grouper.
7 to 8 foot bull shark. Check. Biggest ever from shore. Looks like you've done this a time or so. 5 a.m. We made it. All right, guys, 5 a.m. I'm on 2 hours of sleep. We made it to the airport. We got the ride. Now all we're gonna do is check the bags, get on the flight, and we are off to West Palm. West Palm season 4 officially underway.
Florida.
All right, guys, we had an absolute shit show. We had a shit show with the rod tube, our bags. They wouldn't let us print our bag tags there because we had the rod tube, so we got like escorted to the front. Told us that we didn't have the right amount of bags, but we did. So then Casey had to buy 2 more bags, and then the security was an absolute shit show. Searched Justin's bag, Casey's bag. I'm the one with like 1,000 batteries in my backpack, and they don't even search me, so. I don't know, been a shit show to start, but we have a lot of time to spare. Time for a nice cold beer to start this trip off. Thank you. Thanks.
West Palm, baby.
Technically, it says 6.
I get here early. I get here at 4:30.
All right, boys. We have an absolute torrential downpour right now. I'm praying the flight does not get delayed. No bullshit. We don't need any of that this trip. We had some mimosas rolling, some beers rolling. The trio's back, boys. The trio's back for season 4 West Palm Beach, and I'm feeling great. Remember, this is the finale season. We're going to be done at these coordinates after this season, moving on to Canada, Alaska, and British Columbia. 2 weeks, 14 days down in West Palm Beach. Me, Casey, Justin, let's go. All right, guys, it is like 1:30. The car rental was an absolute shit show, unfortunately. Worst part about the entire travel day. We got the car, we got a Ram 1500. Hopefully it's not a POS. Never driven a Ram, so. We got the rod tubes in the back, suitcases, we're good to go. So now what we have to do from here, we will shoot to the FedEx, grab our packages because Justin shipped a brand new drone. I shipped all my stuff, my reels, my drone, and also get a cooler for the bait. So we're gonna take you guys along the way. I got nothing to say right now. I'm deadbeat tired, and we'll go from there. Well, guys, we've officially made it to West Palm Beach. We have checked into the Airbnb, unloaded the truck. We are good to go. This is one of the most anticipated trips of the year. West Palm Beach season 4, the finale. I honestly can't believe we're actually here. It's one of those trips we pushed off from February is our normal, and we pushed it all the way to April because of El Nino, the weather, which is cold and shitty in February. So we decided the fishing was gonna be better, the weather is gonna be better. Now we have 85 degrees plus every single day and 11 UV, which is pretty nuts. So we're gonna have to try and not get fried. Nice siren to kick us off. But guys, I could not be more excited to be filming and actually have this camera in my hands looking at palm trees. Beautiful backyard. We got a grill. Airbnb is super nice. Our next stop is Walmart. We'll go check in with Case and Justin.
Yeah, I'm super happy the drone came in one piece. This is an investment I made for this year's trip. It's a huge upgrade for us because before we weren't able to really fly out super heavy baits with the drones that we were using. So I went ahead and bought this Swell Pro FD1. Can fly 4 pounds of bait, and it's gonna help us a lot at certain inlet spots and stuff. I was super nervous about the shipping for getting here, but looks like everything came out perfect.
Before we kick off the series, this entire series is sponsored by Follow the Action Outdoors. They're an outdoor apparel brand that covers you from fishing to hunting. They got the most badass hand-drawn custom designs made for the everyday outdoorsman by the outdoorsman. One of the biggest things with FTA right now is we just released the FTA Hammer Stick. It is a Ned rig that myself, Trevor, and FTA designed. Guys, is one of the best Ned rigs on the market. Check it out. I promise you, you will catch fish with it. The scent, everything about that bait, we spent so much time, at least 2 to 3 years, going over every nook and cranny, customizing to a T from scratch, and making that custom Ned rig that you could throw from spring, summer, and fall. FollowTheAction.com. Check it out. FTA Hammer Stick. Let me know. Send some pics if you guys catch a tank. All right, guys. First spot, first fishing session of the trip. We're going to probably start by the bridge. See if there's any barracudas around chasing value, and maybe get some bait that way. Being April, I think there's going to be a lot more fish around. I think the bite's going to be better overall. The weather's been stable, and the heat should just draw more stuff in. So,
What is there to complain about? We're in the Sunshine State. We're about to catch some barracuda and then sharks later. Let's get after it, guys.
all right, guys, this is like one of our third bait spots. We just saw a giant southern ray, probably about 150 to 175 pounds. And unfortunately, we are rigged for it, but we don't have the bait. So this is what we're doing. There's a couple of jacks here. We're gonna see if we can catch them on these jigging spins right here. Oh, that small one almost hit it. Okay, let's go ahead and take a couple casts. All right, guys, update. We have no bait, so we're walking into Cod and Caper Seafood Market. Everyone is dressed up nice. It's a restaurant and a fish market, and we're wearing cutoffs. We look like absolute bums. We're about to walk out with full fish because we couldn't catch it today, or we were too lazy also to go to the ramp, or I don't know what we did. But all right, I gotta put the camera down. Look at this. All right, guys, check this out. This is literally what they hooked us up with. This is the absolute most primo bait. Like, if there's no way we could have got this at any ramp, anything, obviously, unless we went to a marina where they caught fresh fish. But the big heads like this, perfect for his drone. These things weigh a lot. They also threw some other stuff in there too. I have no idea what that is. It kind of looked like a ladyfish, but I don't think it is. But guys, we were completely set. We were screwed. We made a bad mistake not going to the one marina right by our Airbnb. And instead we kept rigging instead of looking at the bait. But now we got bait, so I'm gonna shut my mouth, get out there, let's do this.
I see it.
Like the normal, get far out there. This is insane. Go ahead, drop it. Perfect, dude. Great drop. All right, guys, drone fishing. Justin's new drone, the Swell Pro. First bait out. Now I'm gonna get the second one ready. We'll send 2 out. So what I'm gonna do is reel up the slack, put this out on the end of the dock, have it just like this so we can hear it, and we are drone fishing. All right, guys, this little piece under here, this is where the ring sits. Justin will close it in a second. He's rigging up his gear.
Ready?
Yep, just don't hit the fucking propellers or I'm dead. Is it on? All right, so it's on. And because we have all this slack line right here, we like to just kind of hold it. We are newer to drone fishing. We were doing it with the Mavic Pro. Go ahead. I would go left more. Okay. We'll walk out to the end so the slack's not in the water too much back here. All right, guys, so we're ready to go. 3 rods out. We got the big boys out tonight. All 3 are 50 wides. So hopefully a bull shark, lemon shark, maybe a hammerhead again. Who knows? Hopefully we can get bit tonight, get the first shark of the trip, and it'll be quality. So come to you guys soon. We got a park ranger coming in here with the lights on. I really hope we don't get kicked out because I don't know where we could go tonight.
All right, guys, we got something chewing on the snapper head that was flown out. We're just gonna let it chew some more, let it eat it all the way, and then we'll give it the beans. There it goes again. I think he's got it now.
Get the gloves.
You want my rod up over there?
I got it.
You need help?
Not yet.
Hold us up.
Yeah, probably.
Give me a beans, buddy. Just keep walking back.
Oh, sir, you're not going anywhere.
I'd run over there because of the brick wall. You got time.
That's like my biggest nurse shark by far.
What do you want to do here, buddy?
Holy shit, gummy. The huge gummy.
He's coming back.
Walk to the beach, it'll be easier to pull it. Probably about the solid 6.5, 7 footer.
Strong.
Case, grab the thick part of the tail, the thick part. First shark, West Palm Beach, season 4.
You can't get manhandled by it. Woohoo! That's a big fat nurse shark. Big fat nurse shark. Look at the girth on this thing. Here. First shark for me of the trip, nurse shark. Some people hate on these, but I really like them. I just think they're they put up a fight of their own. This one's super, super wide. Come over up top here, you can see just how wide these nurse sharks get, almost like flathead catfish. Look at that. Thing's got some beef to it, and it's about to freak out. Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and get a couple quick photos, get it unhooked, and then we'll get back to you guys when we're releasing it. West Palm Beach season 4. Let's go. We're trying our best to keep it in the water, keep water in its gills until we can get the hook out. There you go, nice.
Good job.
All right, guys, we got it unhooked. We've kept him in the water. He's very hyper, as you can see. He's ready to go. It's a nice big nurse shark.
They're strong,
I
dude.
know, dude. They're so annoying to land.
Dude, such chaos that just unfolded here. Beautiful shark, and we got the park ranger now. What do you know, our luck.
Good timing, bud. Alright guys, we're back. Check out the vibe back here, the porch light. So we park under like this thing right here, which leads out to the front gate. And then we have like this whole backyard area, but check out these lights over here. Cook some on the grill. Come over here, eat it, enjoy. Good day of fishing. Palm trees. Really awesome backyard. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for the first official day. We have 13 more fishing days. I think we finished the day strong. We had some mistakes. We're gonna learn from those. We're getting a bunch of bait from the market tomorrow. They said come back at 10, so that'll be in the next video. And we also have a charter captain that will explain kind of how we know what we're gonna be doing with him, and he's also gonna be hooking us up with bait right after that fish market. So we should load up the cooler, have everything ready to go. We're actually gonna be going to a Goliath grouper spot tomorrow, so that'll be the next video. I don't want to give you guys the official outro because this is a series. Hope you guys enjoyed the first video. Many more to come. That's all I got. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the morning.